Today we have a blood glucose meter. So we're going to open it up and see what you get on this package, all right, when you purchase like this. So you get all the little tacks, little bag carrying around, and instructions. Now let's take a look at what's inside here. You get the actual system to actually get the blood flowing. This is to actually poke your fingers, all right. The glucose meter reader, the system goes reads from here. Now batteries are included. You just got to remove the actual plastic, and then of course you get all the little strips. These are different strips. They're not going to work with a lot of machines, but little strip readers. I'm going to bleed one out. I'm going to set one up. Depending on the poke pressure here, if you guys can see that, from one all the way to 5. All right, so we're gonna do 3. That's where. To loading it up, it's easy. Grab it from the back of the end. All right, push to the left, and then there you go. All right, now what you want to do is insert the actual system here. Once you set it up, we're gonna test it out, make sure it works. See that? So we're gonna take off the needle part. Let's twist it. You gotta twist this part. There's a little needle head, if you guys can see it. So put this back in here. Change it to a level that you want. We're gonna do number 3. Testing it out. You're not gonna see it, and it's gonna prepare itself right now. All right, so it's ready. You see how it says it's ready for the blood? Then what you want to do is pull it back. Round 3. Push it in there. There it is. That's a lot, right? But it still has it on. Once you see it on, I'm gonna blur this out. Starts collecting. I'm gonna blur it out just for my medical purposes. That's it. Simple as that. So once you're done, turn it around. Eject it. Make sure you properly dispose of the strip and the actual needle. Medical area personnel where you dropped it off, all right? Just make sure. But very simple. Take carry with you in the case. Simple to take with you anywhere. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.